Hi there, this is my demonstration video for CS50Web Project 1 Wiki. First, the title, like we can type wiki-css. Now, it displays the contents of CSS. If the entry is requested and does exist, it will be represented with a page that displays the content of the entry. And the title of the page includes the name of the entry. And otherwise, if an entry is requested that does not exist, we will be presented with an error page, indicating that the requested page is not found. Like we can just type CS. Now we get error page. This entry CS does not exist. Second, index page. On our home page, we can click on any entry name to be taken directly to that entry page. 3. Search. Allow us to type a query into the search box in the sidebar to search for encyclopedia entry. If the entry matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, it will be directly to the entries page. Like I can type Python and directly get into that page. If the query doesn't match the name of an encyclopedia entry, we will be taken to a search results page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have the query as a substring. Like we can just type the letter O. We can get the Django or Python. Both of them contains the letter O. And the same at the home page. Click on any of the entry names on the search results page will take us into that entrance page, like Python page. Next, new page. We can click create a new page in the sidebar. It will take us to a page where we can create a new encyclopedia entry. And we're able to enter a title for the page and in the content box enter the markdown content for the page. And we can also click the button to save this new page. And when the page is saved, if an encyclopedia entry already exists with the provided title, and we will be presented with an error message. Like we can just type CSS, which already exists. Content like CSS content, and we click the button save. We get an error page. It's an entry page of CSS already exists. So if we create does not exist already, we can just content. Some basic like C++ is a programming language. We can just click the save button and it will save this page. And it will be saved to desk, and we are taken to the new pages entries page now. Next is edit page. On each entry page, we're able to click the edit button and we'll be taken to a page where we can edit that entry's markdown content, like the Django. We can just click this entry button and we can see the existing title and content, the initial value of the existing page. And we're able to click the save button to see the changes made to the entry. Unless we just add a new subtitle like that, and we just click save. And now once the entry is saved, we are redirected back to the entrance page. Click the random page in the sidebar will take us to a random encyclopedia entry. Like we can click it, we get the HTML page, and again C++ we've just created CSS HTML, and finally Markdown to HTML conversion. On each entrance page, the Markdown content in the entrance file are converted to HTML before being displayed to us. So I just use the convert function in Markdown to package to perform this conversion. And we can see the original Markdown content. And this is HTML content displaying to us. Okay, that's all of my demonstration for this project. Thank you.